Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your UI shortcuts in Destiny 2. Let's begin by opening the game's option menu. Do so by pressing this button right here, pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your keyboard or controller. Then go into Settings. In Settings, make sure you're in the keyboard and mouse section. And scroll to the very bottom. Here, under UI shortcuts, you can change the Show Hide Text Chat, Deploy Ghost, Open Director New Quest Details, Open Director Portals, Open Director Quests, Open Director Rosters, Open Director Seasons, Open Start Menu Clans, Open Start Menu Collections, Open Start Menu Journey, Open Start Menu Character, Open Start Menu Inventory, and Open Start Menu Settings. You can set the keybind for all of them, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.